We had over 20 years of legacy data that we had just been holding on to and had never really managed the permissions, didn't know who had access to what, and it had just been years of it snowballing and growing. We needed to move a ton of data from on-premise file servers over to SharePoint Online and OneDrive, and we saw that as a big opportunity for us to review the data that was out there and really decide what could we get rid of and clean up and save us a lot of money. Varonis has come in and they've given us visibility into where all of our sensitive data is located, who has access to it, who isn't using it, and then made recommendations of what we should do with it. The confidence that I have in the data classification engine and its ability to recognize sensitive data is outstanding. With a lot of other tools, there's going to be a ton of time that you'll invest tuning it to make sure that a social security number is really a social security number. But with Varonis, you don't have to do that. Out of the box, data classification engine is very accurate. We're partnering with the business, so I'm on a call with them. We're reviewing it in real time in Varonis, where we've been able to reduce our exposure of hits of sensitive data for around 30 million hits, which is huge. That's a big win. It's really been easy to do with Varonis. The visibility that it's given us has empowered the business to make decisions about their data.